Hey guys, Walter here with Federal Brace. Today we're going to be looking at the Olympus ADA residential floating vanity bracket. We're going to tell you a little bit about it, and we're also going to install it. Let's get started. So today we're going to be installing the Olympus. Right here inside this wall, we have what's considered a standard stud wall spacing. We've got 16-inch on center studs. Now you might be wondering why we have the wall open, and that's because the Olympus actually mounts into the stud base. Very similar to our Atlas bracket, it's already pre-sized for wheelchair access, but the Olympus can go into the stud base as opposed to having to go into subfloor. Now that's going to be great for residential applications, but it also fits for commercial applications as well. Now you'll see that the Olympus fits inside the stud wall, but it looks like it would tip. That's why it's actually a two-piece construction. Once you have your bracket in place, you will install the tipping plate between the studs. Now you need to make sure your studs are 16 on center, or this is not going to fit in between them, but there is a little bit of play. The Olympus is an ADA-compliant floating vanity support for residential applications with a 500-pound carry capacity. This support was carefully designed for heavy vanity loads with its half-inch thick fortified tube and half-inch thick plate. Fasteners are included with every purchase. Now you may be asking yourself, why is this part and this part not welded together? Why doesn't it come pre-welded? Well, having them as separate installation actually adds benefit to the bracket. It allows you to slide your bracket inside the stud wall and position it wherever you need for the edge of that vanity, and then your tipping plate can still do its job up top. Now these are available at federalbrace.com. You can shop now, and we'll see you next time.